Hi for everyone. In the first video, we have introduction of our channel in our series. In this video, we have the first lesson of the Let's Go series, and that's the Let's Go book. We will start our English from this Let's Go Starter book. That's the first book of the Let's Go series. So follow that book. In the name of Allah, lesson 1. A words means the A letter of words. Alif, and alligator, apple. Alice, and alligator, and apple. So let's write that word. The first is Alice. In this word, we have the A letter. That's the A letter. So the first word is A. Alice. Alice. Second word is and. The third word is alligator. Alligator. And the last word is apple. So we have 4 words of the L letter words: Alice, ant, alligator, and apple. So in this word, which is the L letter? Alice and Alice word, we have the L letter, that, and ant is that, alligator is that, and apple is that. So, what's the meaning of this word? Alligator, and Alice, ant, and apple. What meaning is that? The first Alice. Alice, name of person, and that's kind of the name, noun. Noun. And ant is name of the ant. Ant, name of the ant, and alligator is name of the animal who has a lot of teeth in their mouth and very big mouth. Name of animal. And the last one is apple. Apple is name of and kind of the fruits. So apple is fruits, alligator, none of the animal, ant is insect, and all is none. So so now we go to the that word we use in the sentence and make one sentence in one word. So the first, Alif. Alif. Alif has. Alif has a fan. Alif has a fan. And the second one is ants. Name of insects. An ant is an insect. So, and the third one is alligator. Alligator. Alligator is a big animal. Alligator is big. Big animal. Big animal. And apple is kind of the fruit. And the room. So let's read. The first Alice has a pen. The second ant is an ant. The third alligator is a big animal. And the last word is apple is in the room. So that's the using and the sentence and meaning of this word. So let's repeat say in this word. Lesson 1. Words. Alice, ant, alligator, and apple. So Alice, who name of a girl and name of a person and name of human who stand in the grass, and noun of the insect. And alligator is alligator is name of the animal, and apple is kind of the fruits. So we have kind of took high. The first high is that high. The second kind is hell. High and hell, that's same meaning. That's have same meaning. And when we use hello and hi, that's said now. So when some person say hi to you, so you have to say the hello. So hi is the first word and hello is the second, like that. Hi, hello, I'm Asif Ahmad, how are you? So let's learn again. Hi, hello, how are you? I'm fine. So that's your first lesson of the Let's Go Starter book. So follow our channel and follow me, and don't forget subscribe, like, and follow our channel. Please subscribe, like.